Is that a little dangerous, Bug?
No.
Do you need to hold on?
Holding on.
Okay.
Hold on.
Yeah. Can you sit on your bottom?
Yeah. I got this floor is hard.
Yeah, so you should sit on your bottom and hold on tight.
Yeah, but not inside of there.
There's hot lava? Oh, wow.
And those are hot lava rocks. There's a rock hurt in the... Oh, my friends can
Yeah.
but they have to be careful.
And do you have to be careful? Or just them?
They have... Watch this!
2 hands, Viveka.
Why? I'm the greatest one who ever known this!
Oh, okay. Let's stop then.